Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify divorce decrees with VitalChek. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify divorce decrees using VitalChek, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for VitalChek. Once the website loads, look for the search bar or menu option. Enter the necessary information regarding the divorce you wish to verify. This may include names, dates, and locations related to the divorce. After entering the required details, click on the search button. Wait for the results to load, which may take a few moments. Review the results carefully. If you find the correct divorce decree, click on it for more details. This will typically provide information such as case numbers and filing dates. Next, you may need to select an option to request verification. If prompted, fill out any additional forms requesting verification. Make sure to provide accurate contact information. Review the information one last time for accuracy. Finally, submit your request for verification. You will receive confirmation of your request via email or on the website. Monitor your email for any updates regarding the status of your verification. Once your request is processed, you will receive the verified divorce decree. Follow any additional instructions provided to access your documents. And that concludes the process for verifying divorce decrees with VitalChek. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.